UC Davis Center for Population Biology is an incredible community of scientists conducting cutting-edge research and providing fabulous training to the next generation of scientists.
When I interviewed at UC Davis, I remember being so inspired by how adept and confident the current population biology graduate students were in their command of their areas of expertise.
What attracted me to the center was the incredible combination of excellent faculty in both ecology and evolution, as well as brilliant young graduate students. And the center was a place that was bringing them all together, emphasizing collaboration and interaction.
I was first attracted to the center because of the faculty and also because of the core curriculum that all students must take in their first year. And it's really where I learned to be an independent thinker and a rigorous scientist.
We were encouraged to develop our own independent research agendas, defining an independent intellectual niche rather than working in the shadow of and at the direction of our faculty mentors.
As a graduate student at the center, I was treated as a colleague. The center's funding allowed me to carry out independent work. I had the support and advice of my faculty mentors, but I didn't necessarily have to do something that they had already planned or received funding for.
I was supported by a stipend as a postdoctoral fellow. I was one of the 3 postdocs in the initial cohort at the center that allowed me to come to UC Davis to be part of the center and to conduct my research.
I was awarded a Center for Population Biology postdoctoral fellowship, which provided a stipend for me to live off of and research funding to conduct research. I'm incredibly thankful for the opportunities that the fellowship afforded me, and I would definitely not be where I am today without the CPB fellowship.
Being a part of the Center for Population Biology strengthened my scientific independence, and it equipped me with the technical, interpersonal, and collaborative tools I needed to craft a novel, exciting, productive research program on land crab life history evolution. These experiences were crucial to my development as a scientist.
More than any institution I've been at, it was a place where people lived and breathed science and engaged in deep discussions. It was an environment where people supported each other by challenging their peers to think critically, carefully, and deeply, challenging their peers to excel.
Being a part of the Center for Population Biology made me love science. It gave me the confidence and inspiration that I needed to continue along a research path and follow my curiosity wherever it took me.
The Center for Population Biology is perhaps the world's leading institution for the integrative study of ecology and evolution. What I mean by that is that some universities have great ecology programs, some have great evolution programs, very few places have great programs in both. And UC Davis is probably the world leader in that respect.
Being part of the Center for Population Biology has been one of the best experiences of my life. I feel incredibly lucky to have been part of such a fabulous and inspiring community.